I'm just getting started here, throwing in some sliced onions right on the bottom of my deep dish pie crust, and this is going to be so tasty. I can't wait to show you guys what we're doing today. So once you have a nice hefty amount of onions right into your pie dish, you are gonna grab yourself some cheddar cheese. Now, of course, any cheese is fine, but I really love the cheddar with the onions, and I'm gonna put about 1.5 cups of cheese right on top of those delicious onions. Oh, when this bakes together, it's gonna be phenomenal. Once you have that all set up, you're just gonna slide that over to the side and bring in your bowl. We're gonna add a total of 5 eggs in there. So go ahead, grab yourself some eggs, crack those bad boys, and put them right into your bowl. Now, right on top of that, we're just gonna add 1 cup of whole milk and also a little bit of black pepper. Yum. Nice, quickly and easily, just go ahead and stir all of that together, making sure you whip those eggs up with that milk. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I am hungry, and this has my name written all over it. Okay, that looks great and nice, well mixed. Let's bring our onion pie right back in, and we'll start to dump this mixture right inside there. It's gonna fold into all of those onions and that cheese. Wow, look at that. Deep dish is definitely the way to go. Now I'm gonna top it off with just a few more onions on top, just because I want those to get golden brown right there on the top and make this little onion pie really stand out and look delicious. All right, there we have it. There we go. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 35 minutes, and stick around. It's gonna be so tasty. Wow, look at how great that looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh, it's still a little bit warm. I'm just gonna slide it right off of there. Wow, talk about an onion pie. That is what I'm talking about right there. I love the golden brown on the top. I love the cheese that is just golden brown. Now I know this is a bit warm still, so bear with me. We're just gonna slice right into it. Oh yeah, that looks good. Cut all the way through there. Here we go. Let's check this out. Wow. Look at that. Looks so good. All of those layers of those baked onions in there with the cheese and the little bit of egg to hold it all together. I am a super onion freak. I love onions. I don't know, and this right here, this is what I'm talking about. It is creamy and cheesy. This is so good. Oh my gosh. I could eat this for breakfast. I could eat this for lunch. I could eat this for dinner. I could eat this anytime. And you know what else I'm thinking? Is that I bet it would be so good paired with a light field green salad or something like that. Oh, this would be so good with that. That's what I'm talking about right there. Now, of course, you can add other things to this, and you know the drill. If you're adding anything in, I wanna know about it. Tell me all of your ideas. I think just keeping it pretty basic though, it is a home run. So I hope you guys love this recipe. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna do different, and we'll see you later.